as you guys already can see from the thumbnail, we're gonna be installing this wig. So tomorrow is Monday and I had a lot of things to do. Like, I just want to get this done with, sincerely. Like, I just really want to get this done and over with. I kind of just need to slick back my edges. Like, first things first, you always want to slick back your edges if you care about them, okay? If you don't care about them, you can skip this step, but I do. So we're just gonna quickly take some Got2b gel. Any gel that works for you, use it, but Got2b, I have Got2b right now, and that's what kind of works. So we're just gonna quickly lay these edges down. We'll slick them down. Okay, so now that we got our edges all slicked down and everything, we're gonna go in with the wig cap. Sometimes you might need to like stretch it out so it's like not, you know what I mean? So it's not as like tight. Well, if you have a big head, actually. And then we're just gonna pull it backwards to kind of help with the slicking the edges part. Just pull it backwards slowly. To be honest, that's basically it for the cap. Like, I am not gonna do the bald cap method. It takes too much time. I always used to do it for some reason. I don't even know why. But the next thing we're gonna do is go in with some foundation so it matches, you know, because two different skin tones. And we're also gonna tint our wig lace as well. Okay, so the next step, we're gonna go in with some toner and a cotton pad or wipe. I prefer to use toner because it's just easier. It's less harsh and less drying on your skin, and it really does the same exact thing, just to get all the foundation off. This lace is gonna be like pretty easy to just install. Like, it's already cut. We're just reinstalling it. Okay, you guys, so I put the wig on my head, like not exactly on, to make me feel better, and it'll be easier. Actually, it would actually be way easier. So I just have to kind of just pull it forward like that and call it a day. Okay, let's get to it. Okay. Am I supposed to let this dry? Should I let this dry? No, let's just put it on, guys. Okay, you guys, we're gonna go in with Got2b on top. And then we're just gonna put this on. Hopefully this turns out good, but I'm just gonna let this dry down for a bit. Okay guys, let's take this off. Okay, you just want to comb everything back. Okay, so first things first, we need to tint this lace. Let me get my foundation. Okay, let's move on to the edges. I'm gonna take my Got To Be gel. Ooh. Okay, you guys, the edges, I always end up having problems with the edges. Like, I could do one and then not do the other, but we're gonna move on to fixing the line here, like to conceal it, because as you guys can see, it's not as sharp. Okay, so I have my concealer right here. And then to kind of like help it like blend together, I'm gonna like put some concealer here. And then we're gonna go in back with the leftover foundation brush to kind of just help blend everything out seamlessly. And then guys, for like the last time, we're gonna go in with our melting spray. So in order to do that, I'm gonna clip my hair away to make it easier. In the meantime, we are gonna be cutting, well, like making layers in this hair. So this hair is synthetic, and when you have synthetic hair, the ends usually start to like bulge up and roughen up. So I have some layer scissors. I don't even know what is this called, but I'm gonna try to attempt using it to like kind of help get rid of the stiffness, because like you guys, like it gets tangled and stuff really fast and easy. I don't even know how I should do this. Wait, maybe I should do this underneath a bucket. I got myself a bucket so the cleanup is easier. I'm just gonna put it underneath. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So should I just like... It feels like so much better. Like it feels so much thinner. You guys, this was the best decision I ever made. It feels so much better. But this is how much hair. This was like a lot of hair actually. Yeah. Oh, this hair is gonna eat, guys. I just know it. I just know it. Oh my god. Okay, you guys, I didn't record this. I completely forgot to, but I just went sprayed some Got2b spray and then brush my hair back, and I'm gonna let it sit. So when I brush it like forward like this, it gives me that blowout look. You know what I'm talking about? So yeah. Super easy. I'm not using no hot combs, no nothing, just super easy. This is why I love this wig. Okay, you guys, so to style the wig, to be honest, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some mousse on. I feel like that's really the only thing it really needs. Okay guys, my ears kind of hurt now. We're gonna take off this band, and fingers crossed it looks good, because if it doesn't look good, I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Okay. Ooh, my ears are on fire. Guys, I'm really feeling myself in this wig. Like, I don't really love myself in black hair, but this is tea. Like, I'm really like tugging y'all. Like, I'm Got2b spray, period. And it's cold outside, so I don't see my lace lifting and everything. I don't even have gym this semester, so to be honest, I would say I'm good. Okay, you guys, this is the final result. I'm in love, guys. Like, it has like this blowout look to it. Like, it gives so like feminine. It just gives like, yes, it gives 10 out of 10. Guys, no lace glue, and it's still intact. I love like the curls and everything. 10 out of 10, guys. I love this. But anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna end this video here. That really concludes everything. But until next time, guys, love you guys. Bye.